Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the best time to visit Muktinath Yatra. Muktinath is a sacred pilgrimage site for both Hindus and Buddhists. It is located in the Mustang district of Nepal and is situated at an altitude of 3,710 meters above sea level. The temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and is believed to be one of the 108 Divya Desams or holy abodes of Lord Vishnu. The best time to visit Muktinath Yatra is during September, October and November. These months are considered the best because the weather is pleasant and the skis are clear. The temperature is also moderate, making it ideal for trekking and sightseeing. You can also witness the vibrant Kumbh Mela festival if you visit during this time. If you prefer to visit during the spring season, then March, April and May are the best months. During this time, the weather is mild and the beautiful flora and fauna are in full bloom. The summer season from June to August is not recommended as the weather is hot and humid and there is a high chance of rainfall. The winter season from December to February is also not recommended as the temperature drops below freezing point and the region experiences heavy snowfall. So, to summarize, the best time to visit Muktinath Yatra is during September, October and November. We hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.